Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop microwaves that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end model with advanced features, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's jump right into the video. At number 5, we have the Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $69.99. But don't let the price fool you. It packs a solid set of features for the price, including 6 cooking presets, 10 power levels, and a handy one-touch express cook feature. Whether you're heating up leftovers or popping some popcorn, the Chefman gets the job done efficiently. The design is compact yet modern, with a sleek black finish that blends well with most kitchen decors. While the 0.7 cubic feet capacity and 700 watts make it ideal for small households or dorm rooms, it may feel limiting if you need to cook larger dishes. However, the child safety lock and mute button are thoughtful additions, especially for families. The Eco Mode is another standout feature, allowing you to save energy when the microwave isn't in use. In terms of performance, it's good for basic tasks, but struggles a bit with even cooking for denser foods. While it's not the most powerful microwave on the market, it's a great choice for those on a budget who need a reliable and easy-to-use option. Pros: it's affordable, energy efficient, and compact. Cons: limited capacity and lower wattage. Coming in at number 4 is the Black Plus Decker EM720 CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. Priced at $76.49, this model is another compact and affordable option. But it brings a touch of elegance with its stainless steel finish. It's equipped with 6 pre-programmed buttons for common tasks like cooking popcorn or potatoes. And the 30-second express cooking feature adds convenience for quick heating needs. The design is straightforward and user-friendly, with a large LED display, an easy-to-read control panel, and a push-button door release. It also features a child safety lock for added security. With 0.7 cubic feet of capacity and 700 watts of power, it's ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. The removable 10-inch glass turntable ensures even heating for smaller dishes, although it may feel restrictive for larger meals. In terms of performance, this microwave is reliable for basic tasks, but lacks the power to handle heavier-duty cooking. It's a great option for reheating, defrosting, and simple meal prep. The pros: it's affordable, compact, and has a sleek design. The cons: limited power and capacity, making it less suitable for larger households or more complex cooking needs. At number 3, we have the Toshiba MLEM09 PABS Small Microwave Oven. Priced at $89.99, this microwave offers a perfect balance of size, power, and features, making it an excellent choice for small to medium households. With 900 watts of power and 0.9 cubic feet of capacity, it's a step up from the more compact models on this list. This microwave stands out with its sleek black stainless steel design and intuitive controls. It features 6 auto menus for common tasks, a child safety lock, and a mute function to keep things quiet in the kitchen. The LED lighting inside makes it easy to monitor your food, and the 10.6-inch turntable ensures even heating. It's also designed with defrosting options and one-touch start functionality, adding to its versatility. In terms of performance, this microwave handles everyday tasks like reheating and defrosting with ease. It's not as powerful as some larger models, but it's a reliable and efficient option for its size. The pros: a great feature set, stylish design, and a reasonable price. The cons: slightly smaller capacity and less power than higher-end models. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Toshiba EM131A5 CBS Countertop Microwave. Priced at $109.99, this microwave offers an impressive combination of advanced features and a sleek design. With 1,000 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, it's perfect for medium to large households that need something versatile yet user-friendly. One of the standout features here is the smart humidity sensor, which ensures precise cooking and reheating by detecting moisture levels in your food. It also includes 12 auto menus and a mute function for quiet operation. The Eco mode helps save energy, and the easy clean interior is both practical and convenient. The 12.4-inch turntable is large enough to fit a standard-sized pizza, making it a great all-rounder. Performance-wise, this microwave delivers excellent results across a variety of tasks, from defrosting meats to reheating leftovers. The intuitive control panel and large digital display make it easy to use, while the stylish black stainless steel exterior adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The pros: great capacity, advanced features, and solid performance. The cons: it's slightly bulkier, so it may not be ideal for smaller kitchens. And finally, at number 1, we have the Toshiba MLEM62P SS Large Countertop Microwave, the premium option on our list. At $189.99, this microwave is an investment, but it offers top-tier features and performance that justify the price. With 1,200 watts of power and a massive 2.2 cubic foot capacity, it's designed for larger families or anyone who needs a microwave that can handle big tasks with ease. The design is sleek and modern, with a stainless steel finish that looks great in any kitchen. The 16.5-inch turntable is one of the largest in its class and features position memory, ensuring it returns to its original position after use. The smart sensor and 6 auto menus make cooking and reheating a breeze, while the auto defrost function ensures even thawing of frozen foods. Additional features like Eco Mode, a mute option, and a child safety lock add to its appeal. In terms of performance, this microwave excels in every category from speed to precision. It's perfect for heavy-duty cooking, and the large capacity means you'll rarely face size limitations. The pros: outstanding capacity, cutting-edge features, and powerful performance. The cons: it's the most expensive on our list and takes up significant counter space. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.